From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks, our planet is a tapestry woven with extraordinary wonders. Welcome to MindQuest Academy. Today, we're exploring the strangest natural phenomena you've probably never heard of. Let's dive into some of the most fascinating and lesser-known natural phenomena. Imagine a scene of utter chaos and destruction, a raging wildfire fueled by dry brush and whipped into a frenzy by powerful winds. Now picture this inferno twisting upon itself, a fiery vortex rising from the heart of the blaze, reaching for the heavens with a roar that chills the soul. This, my friends, is a firenado. Also known as fire whirls or fire tornadoes, these terrifying spectacles are born from a perfect storm of extreme heat and turbulent winds. As hot air rises rapidly from the inferno, it creates an updraft, a vacuum that draws in surrounding air. If conditions are just right, this swirling vortex of air can become infused with flames, transforming into a spinning column of fire that dances across the landscape. Firenadoes are relatively rare, but when they do occur, they are a force of nature to be reckoned with. Ranging in size from a few feet to over 100 feet tall, these fiery serpents can generate winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, hotter than the melting point of aluminum. They are capable of ripping trees from their roots, melting metal, and leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. But as destructive as firenadoes are, they are also mesmerizingly beautiful. The sight of a swirling vortex of fire, a helix of flame ascending towards the sky, is both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Scientists are still working to fully understand the dynamics of firenadoes, these ephemeral and unpredictable events. They represent the untamed, unpredictable side of nature, the forces that can both create and destroy in equal measure. Deep in the heart of South America, where the Catatumbo River meets the vast expanse of Lake Maracaibo, lies a place like no other on Earth. Here, in this remote corner of Venezuela, the sky itself comes alive with an electrifying display that has captivated the imaginations of explorers and scientists for centuries. This is the realm of Catatumbo lightning, a phenomenon so persistent, so awe-inspiring, that it has earned the nickname the Everlasting Storm. Imagine a night sky ablaze with light, not for fleeting moments, but for hours on end. Imagine bolts of lightning, thousands upon thousands of them, illuminating the darkness with an ethereal glow. This is the reality of Catatumbo lightning, a meteorological marvel that sees lightning storms rage for up to 10 hours a night, for nearly half the year. This extraordinary phenomenon occurs roughly 160 nights a year, concentrated over the mouth of the Catatumbo River. The warm, moist air from the Caribbean Sea collides with the cool air descending from the Andes Mountains, creating a volatile mix of atmospheric instability. This clash of air masses, coupled with the presence of methane gas rising from the nearby marshes, creates the perfect conditions for lightning formation. Today, Catatumbo lightning has become a symbol of Venezuela, a natural wonder that draws visitors from around the globe. They come to witness the spectacle firsthand, to stand in awe of nature's power, and to experience the sheer magnificence of this electrifying display. Catatumbo lightning is a testament to the extraordinary forces that shape our planet, a reminder that even in the most remote corners of the Earth, wonders await those who dare to explore. We plunge now into the frigid depths of the polar oceans, where a phenomenon as beautiful as it is deadly unfolds beneath the frozen surface. Here, in the silent twilight world of the Arctic and Antarctic, we encounter brinicles, also known as ice stalactites, formations that seem ripped from the pages of science fiction. Picture this: a frozen wasteland, the ocean surface locked solid beneath a thick layer of ice. But beneath this frozen wasteland, life teems, oblivious to the icy grip that holds the surface captive. And it is here, in this underwater realm, that brinicles form, their icy fingers reaching down from the surface like ethereal tendrils. These underwater icicles are formed through a unique process known as brine rejection. As seawater freezes, it expels salt, creating a super salty brine that is denser than the surrounding seawater. This dense, frigid brine sinks, creating a downward flow that freezes the less salty water it comes into contact with. As this process continues, a hollow tube of ice forms, a brinicle, reaching down from the surface towards the seabed. The brinicle grows, extending its icy grasp further and further, driven by the relentless flow of super-chilled brine. The brinicle's touch is deadly, its frigid embrace instantly freezing anything it comes into contact with. Small fish, crustaceans, even starfish are all susceptible to the brinicle's icy grasp. The formation of a brinicle is a mesmerizingly beautiful process. Chapter 4. Morning Glory Clouds Rollers in the Sky. From the icy depths of the polar oceans we journey now to the vast sun-baked plains of northern Australia where the sky itself seems to roll and undulate with the rhythm of an unseen force. Here in this land of extremes we encounter a meteorological marvel that is as rare as it is breathtaking: the morning glory cloud. Imagine looking up at the sky and witnessing a sight that defies all expectations. Across the horizon, stretching from one end to the other, a massive cylindrical cloud rolls towards you, its form reminiscent of a gigantic celestial wave. This is the morning glory, a meteorological phenomenon that transforms the sky into a canvas for nature's most awe-inspiring artwork. These long, tubular clouds, often stretching over 600 miles in length, appear in the early morning hours, typically between September and November. They move at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, their smooth, undulating forms seeming to defy the very laws of physics. Scientists believe that the morning glory is formed by a unique combination of meteorological factors, including sea breezes, temperature inversions, and the presence of a strong atmospheric wave known as a solitary wave. This perfect storm of conditions creates a rolling cylinder of cloud, a solitary wave in the sky that can stretch for hundreds of miles. Today, the morning glory cloud attracts adventurers and thrill-seekers from around the world. Glider pilots flock to the region, eager to ride the wave of air that accompanies the cloud, soaring effortlessly for hundreds of miles in this unique atmospheric phenomenon. Chapter 5. Penitentes, Sentinels of the High Peaks. From the vast open skies of Australia we journey now to the towering peaks of the Andes Mountains, a world of ice and rock, where the air is thin and the silence is broken only by the howl of the wind. Here, amidst the glaciers and snowfields, we encounter another of nature's enigmatic creations, the penitentes. Imagine yourself trekking through the high Andes, the air thin, the sun beating down on the blinding white snow. As you crest a ridge, you are greeted by a sight that stops you in your tracks. Stretching before you as far as the eye can see is a field of ice blades, tall, slender, and eerily beautiful. These are the penitentes, sentinels of the high peaks, their icy fingers reaching towards the heavens. These towering blades of hardened snow or ice, some reaching heights of up to 16 feet, are named for their resemblance to a procession of kneeling monks, their white robes flowing in the wind. They are a common sight in the high Andes, as well as other high-altitude regions around the world, where the sun's rays beat down relentlessly on the snow and ice. The penitentes are formed through a process known as sublimation, where snow and ice transition directly from a solid to a gaseous state, bypassing the liquid phase entirely. This process is accelerated by the intense solar radiation found at high altitudes, particularly in regions with low humidity. As the sun beats down on the snow, it creates random depressions, small pits where the snow sublimates at a faster rate. Chapter 6. Volcanic lightning, fury from the Earth's core. Our journey now takes us to the very heart of our planet's fury, the volcano. Amidst the molten rock and ash, another electrifying spectacle unfolds: volcanic lightning. This is nature's power at its most primal. Imagine witnessing a volcanic eruption in all its terrifying glory. Molten rock spews from the Earth's core, cascading down the slopes. Plumes of ash blot out the sun, turning day into night. Amidst this chaos, bolts of lightning arc through the ash clouds. Volcanic lightning, or dirty thunderstorm, adds danger and spectacle. What causes this electrifying display? Scientists believe volcanic lightning forms like regular lightning but with ash particles. In thunderstorms, ice crystals collide, creating static electricity. In volcanic plumes, ash particles collide, generating static electricity. This charge builds up until it discharges as lightning, illuminating the ash cloud. The intensity of volcanic lightning varies with the eruption's size and ash composition. Outro: a universe of discoveries awaits. As we conclude our exploration of Earth's strangest natural phenomena, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. If this journey into the heart of Earth's mysteries has sparked your imagination, we invite you to join us at MindQuest Academy, where we delve deeper into the wonders of our universe. one video at a time. Join us on a journey of discovery and expand your knowledge one video at a time with MindQuest Academy.